Hello to everyone. Today I am here with how to build your career in finance. Everyone is aware about the significance of financial matters that starts from a house to a macro industry. Even a lady within a house manages its finances based on the inflows comes to the home and the outflow utilized by that lady. As I have a number of videos posted on my YouTube channel related to banking and finance matters, and it's the continuation of those topics. If you are interested to have more and more videos related to these topics, please subscribe my channel. Career Build in Finance. It's the introductory section, part 1. In this session, we are going to cover defining finance, role of finance professional, skills required for the finance professional, type of technical skill, type of software skills, and tools. First of all, finance, the management of wealth of a person. Here, person means any individual or any type of entity that also include not-profit entity. On the other side, wealth means all type of physical and non-physical items that have monetary value owned by the person. Again, person is any type of an individual or any type of entity. That may be a profit generating entry or non-profit generating entry. Role of finance professions. The role of finance profession should have the ability to measure the health of entity and awareness to give value to the entity. Value to the entity means to increase its wealth or to keep the entity in the healthy position. Skills required for finance professionals. 3 types of key skills required to finance professions that include technical skill, soft skills, tools application. Now we will discuss all these skills a bit in detail in the coming lectures. Skills required for finance professions. We have discussed technical skills. The technical skills include financial statement analysis, budgeting and forecasting, cost accounting, accounting principles. That are the part of technical skills. Soft skills include finance business partnering, storytelling, business account. Thereafter, tools, Power BI. BI is basically business intelligence. Power Query, accounting software. So you should be familiar with these terms, and all of these skills help a profession to build its career. You may start to have an ability of any one of these skills, but being professional with your growth, you should have to build your skill in order to enhance your career in finance. Thank you very much. See you soon again with the upcoming video on the same topic very soon.